Hi everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you for my 12 subscribers. This is something brand new for me. Just started the channel not too long ago. I love Disney cruises and I wanted to kind of show the Disney cruises from a retired couple or semi-retired couple where I'm still actually working. I'm a nurse that does some traveling here and there. And it's fun. I have a little control over my schedule, which means that if I have a little bit of money in the bank, that means I can book a cruise. So that's what I've been doing. This is my 12th cruise, my husband and I. The children decided to come with us on this trip, so there's actually 5 of us. So this is exciting. We're headed to the Palo next. Thank you for your patience with me. I just wanted to say that because this is all brand new for me, and I'm doing this to learn how to work the camera, how to edit, to do all that kind of crazy stuff. Kids know how to do it. I think they're born with something in their brain, some type of chip that they just automatically know how to do stuff. People my age, it takes a little bit more work. It's not impossible. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos and I'm like, can I do that? Well, what the heck, why not? So that's what I'm doing. I just wanted to say thank you for everybody who's watching, and I appreciate it so much. If you want me to continue doing the Disney cruises, I appreciate your comments. Okay, let's get this vacation rolling. If you're driving, the wish leaves out of Terminal 10. Parking opens at 10:30. You can start lining up about 10:15. After they let you in the terminal, you'll get checked in and you'll have a seat in the lobby until your group number is called to board the ship. There's a bathroom, vending machines for your convenience. If you're concierge, you'll go in a special area and you'll, of course, board first. After boarding the Wish, you'll have a choice of 3 venues to eat at. Marceline Market Buffet on the 11th deck in the back of the ship. It's a great choice for a good variety of food, hot food. Now, if that's not good enough for you, this is really delicious, but if that's not good enough for you and you want to sit down and be served, concierge dining is at 1923, and that's to the left when you board the ship. Arndale's dining is on deck 5 in the back of the ship. You'll enjoy scrumptious food and out of this world desserts, literally. I pray that you're not a diabetic. Lastly, there's quick serve on deck 11, midship, pizza, ice cream, tacos, hamburgers, barbecue. It's all so very good. And nothing is a bad choice. Now it's time for the muster drill. Yay! Concierge is normally at the Walt Disney Theater. It lasts about 15 to 20 minutes. You need to look at your Navigator app to see where your location is, your station location. Sailaway Party is a great way to get energized for the cruise. Lots of singing, dancing, and music.
Disney Wish, are you ready for a great vacation? All right, well, let's get this party started with a song we all
It is so much fun, you have to go, honest.
here to help you out. It's the entertainment team. Entertainment team, assemble!
Now there's one place I don't want you to miss, the Hero Zone. It's on the 12th and 13th deck in the back of the ship. It's a great place to bring the kids or yourself to shoot some basketball, play air hockey, foosball, tabletop games, shuffleboard, plus they have special events there. Hallway to the Rose is fabulous. Take your time, enjoy the walk, the artwork, the rose that's encased in the glass, so beautiful. The Rose itself, the lounge, is a great place to visit, sit, have a drink. Now, if you scheduled Apollo, either lunch or dinner, this is where you'll go to check in for your lunch or dinner. You'll have a seat and enjoy the ocean view while you wait for your table. Dining is the best. You got to go. That's the 8-ounce prime rib or prime steak.
Okay, we just got into Nassau and they just gave us the all clear to go aboard. So we are headed out. I am so looking forward to this. So it's really super hot today. I've got a little fan It's wonderful. Keep me cool. I've got my key to the world card. I've got my hat, my sunglasses, and we're ready to roll. So let's go.
Thank you.
Nassau has really cleaned up their act. The outside port area, I actually enjoyed walking around the shops this time.
Hey everybody, going to the Rum Cake Factory. The walk's not too bad. Once you get out of port or out of the port area, go across the street and find the next street, make a left, and this is the road you're going to be walking down. And like I said, it's not bad. It's maybe a 10-minute walk, but the rum cakes, oh, they're phenomenal. Okay, give me a second, we'll be there. Rum Cake Factory is a tourist destination for a good reason. Inside, you'll find a wide selection of great flavors, and of course, you'll get a discount for buying a 4 or 6 mix and match packs. There's some flavor choices for you. They say they run out of their supplies daily. Everything's fresh. Get rum cakes, where you receipt over next door and you get a free shot of rum. Yummy. Okay, time to take the walk back to the cruise. Nassau is such an enjoyable place to walk around. They've really cleaned it up, people. The straw market is a must-to-go place. They offer wood carving, handmade jewels, souvenirs, handmade straw bags, hats, dolls, and gifts. So colorful. Everything's been freshly painted and cleaned up. Nobody on the street corners bothering you. I really, really enjoyed myself. Had lots and lots of fun. And are you kidding? I mean, look at this view. It's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And there's the ship, there's the Wish. Hey, mateys, we are ready for our pirates party. And I am dressed as a peasant girl with my hat. And we're going to go have some fun, so. Gotta love the fireworks. Disney has the best fireworks. I think the only fireworks at sea.
Cherished friends, and all who believe in the power of dreams. Prepare yourselves for the arrival of our royal princesses here on the Disney Wish.
I love watching the princesses. They are so beautiful. Bingo! Now there's a good game. Win or lose, you always will have a great time. And who doesn't love to win? The atmosphere there is just energizing. It's so cool. The kiddos loved to cool off here. They have their own area along with the slide. And you can see the big kids and the adults have their slide too. You're looking down at Castaway Island on the port side. In the back of the ship on the deck 13th is the adults only Cove Cafe, Cove Bar, and the Quiet Cove Pool. They have a whirlpool, ample lounge chairs, refreshing, the refreshing pools. And I'm going to call it an infinity pool. I think they call it a panorama pool, but anyways, it drops off into the ocean. And again, adults only. If you're on the right side, which is the starboard side of the ship, then you'll get a stunning view of Castaway Island. Today there's not much activity out there. It was kind of a windy day. A lot of things were canceled. When we got off the ship, we had a handful of characters that we had the pleasure of meeting. Captain Jack is my favorite. Of course, if you have Captain Jack, you got to have Captain Hook. This tram will bring you to 3 different beach areas.
Activity space, Castaway Cay's Stingray Adventure, watercraft rentals, gills, fins, and boat snorkel rental, Count Out Bar, and She Sells Seashells, and everything else for shopping. As a reminder, lunch is served here at Family Beach between 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. at 2 locations, Cookies Barbecue and Cookies 2 Barbecue. Remember to drink lots of water and use your sunscreen. Now please remain seated until the tram has come to a complete stop. Again, welcome to Disney Castaway Cay. Have a magical day. Please.
There are 3 places to eat in total. Serenity Bay has Hangar 98. Adults only area, however, an exception, because they do have cabanas back there that are family cabanas, so you will see kids in Hangar 98. Okay, at the end of here, if you go to the right, that is Serenity Bay Cabanas back there, and it is a great place to walk. This Cabana 25 at Serenity Bay wasn't occupied, so I took it upon myself to take a quick look around. Never been in one. Look at that handle, that's so cool. Welcome. Okay, now, how nice is this? Is this just not the best? I am definitely going to be booking one of these in the very near future.
Walking behind the Serenity Bay Cabanas, it is such a peaceful walk. If you want to take a walk where it's a little bit cooler with the breeze going, this is where you need to come. So it's going to be at the end of the airport. Make a right behind the Serenity Bay Cabanas. And I'd say it's probably, it feels like a mile or more. But the end is really pretty. And like I said, the walk is very nice. So try it.
There's benches to sit down and a refreshment station that has cold water. Walking toward the fence and looking out toward the water. It's so tranquil. This walk is so nice, so refreshing. Yeah, I feel like I could just stand here and just take in the sea breeze. Oh, it's great. Unfortunately, you are not allowed on that shore area. They've got a big sign out there.
Okay, everybody, it's the last night on the Wish. I've got my drink, my strawberry daiquiri. I'm headed to Arndale's and to see the show and have a wonderful dinner. Thanks for joining me for this trip. I hope you had fun. Toast.
Oh, yay! Welcome to the family! I know we may not all look the same. You're not all made of snow after all. But that's okay. I mean, look at Kristoff's family. They're all rocks. I guess a family is what you make it. It's not that weird that a talking snowman, a reindeer, a queen, an ice cutter, and whatever else it is are all family, right? Oh, yes.
We had the most awesome server. It's the second cruise that we've had him. His name's Ken, and I am requesting Ken again for our next cruise.
I'm going to show you a
On the
few
Wish.
little things. We'd like to bring our own pillows, so I'm going to just show you how I bundle them up to put them in the suitcase and how I have these ties that put the suitcases together. It just helps you, so it's just an idea.
So I placed the king-size pillows in the extra large shrink bag. Now at home, I will use a vacuum to get all the air out. I'll just squeeze the air out and I'll place them in the suitcase along with my blankets. One bag done. Yay! I hate the last day. Okay, so I brought luggage straps, which are the best. Easy to use, suitcase handle position up, put the strap through it, the handle, and then, or inside, take it, wrap it around, pull it tight, Go ahead and get your smaller suitcase, place that on top, take the strap. Preferably bring the strap over the top and through the handle. I didn't do that. Again, bring it through the handle and over the top. This is my one hand trying to show you guys how to do it with one hand and hold the camera at the same time. And if I can do it with one hand. But when you're going through the terminal, getting back to your car, airport, anything like that, and you've got more than one suitcase, this is awesome. And I did the same thing for my Castaway bag. May all your wishes come true, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks.